One night stand right round the base. Daddy drop bomb. A little fucking mistake. His name is Nuffy. Yes, yes. Nuffy. Yes, yes. Have too much alcohol. Couldn't maintain herself. Big Papa Daddy. Samurai sword. 9 months later, a little mistake show. His name is Nuffy. Yes, yes. Nuffy. Cut the monarchy out now. And done with the show pony thing now, nation people. Right now, we see Nuffy cut forward out. And I tell the people about how much a Laing Help vybz Kartel and Popcaan enough time. And how Laing try hard for help vybz Kartel. But the government, them not like him. So, them fight against him. You know what I mean? So, me just come for sure know what go on. You know. This is not how me make up. This is where MC Nuffy say. You see what I say? So, we just come for address all of him look fanatic thought them where him have. Because him claim say Laing Help Popcaan from Popcaan no go prison and all Popcaan so shoulda wash Laing foot. Wanna hear them bumbuckle at the nation people? Him say Laing, you know, Help Popcaan, you know. And to all Laing Help Popcaan, you know, from no go prison, you know. Popcaan, you know, supposed to wash Laing foot. So people, we don't see say, when in the ear man a chat like them way there, them type of one day, you know, we sell you out, you know, big time, you know. No joke thing not there about it. Them type of man they sell you out because them man they sell out them own soul. You see what I say? Because watch this now. We all know where go on then between Supreme Promotion, vybz Kartel and Popcaan. You see what I say? So, I don't know if some side door thing go on where people don't know about and Uncle Nuffy and Supreme Promotion alone know about it. Because him claims say nothing him know where him now say. Nation people. Then, so he must say, right now he must say, you know, oh, you know, Laing, you know, help, him and Laing, you know, help vybz Kartel, you know, forget him first, you know, lice gun, you know, because at them, I him, you know, and Laing, you know, have link, you know, with Gregory Park police station, you know, and enough thing him can chat, but him not say, you know. So here we go on now. The first thing with vybz Kartel and Supreme Promotion. Supreme Promotion book vybz Kartel for this thing. Remember now, nation people. Vybz Kartel charge Supreme Promotion a certain type of figure for do the show. Then Supreme Promotion said them can't pay that. Vybz Kartel not do the show. Vybz Kartel go keep a show in an asylum. The whole in an asylum black and outside fuller than inside. Then sting flap. Police come shut down asylum, lock it down. Vybz Kartel was see forward out for an interview. And I say, right now him fear for him life. Because from him not do sting. I be a threat him a get. And every show him go, police a come lock it down. And I rough up the people them and I deal with the people them a certain type of way. You see what I say? And him say him have all police friend where I like hear certain information from. You see what I deal with? And anything happen to him, a Laing. Because I told him not do this thing. All of them fight and vibes that reach him. You see what I say? And the last thing that me hear Vybz Kartel say about any promoter before him go to prison. All know up to today, Nuffy never address them argument there. Him always want to go around the part, them part there. Let me tell you something, Nuffy. You can't stay in between the line like a boat, you know, my brother. It's either you're right or you're wrong, you know. So let me tell you something, you know. Gaza Nation no need you forward out and claim you different Vybz Kartel nor popcorn, you know, my brother. Because you violate the man them in your chatting and me don't even know if you know what you are doing, you know, my brother. You cannot address man and I tell man, but for wash man foot for bumbuckler to respect. I mean, like, if I help you, brother, because it be on him control and him can't deal with certain things and I help him. A total different thing you talk about. But if you talk about for wash a man foot for respect, I have pussy or be a pussy argumented around the man them name with, you know. You're not different from the girl that named Shelly, you know, and Candy, you know. You're not different from them, my brother. You're not different from them. You chat your bag of fuck about. When I address that, never one day me ever hear you forward out and say Vybz Kartel did spoke those words about fucking Supreme Promotion and Isaiah like. Vybz Kartel na say the reporter man na ask Vybz Kartel why am I charge so much why am I charge so much money? And Vybz Kartel say them can't pay it. Because a beer sponsorship them get. The man say them can't pay it, them full of sponsorship. You see what I deal with? And furthermore, the man said them owe him from the previous thing. He won't go get the deposit money, which is half of the money, when him send for the next half after Sting done a violation thing. So I forget the money where him work, my brother. The dog said him not do it unless him get such figure. Well, him not get such figure and him not do it. All know nothing to come out, come chat about them shit, them want come out, come attack fuckery. Watch this now, no? The last thing, you know, we see go on, you know, with Supreme Promotion and popcorn, you know. A popcorn I do sting, you know. I know the niggle of the man performance, you know. Rhino run up on the man, you know, in a clashing thing, you know. And the man never agreed to no clash, no, never get paid for no clash, no, nothing, you know. But yet still the promoter, MC them, you know, give him microphone, talkaphone, you know, for run up on the artist, you know, the artist nigga them performance, you know. Yo, popcorn, it caused big thing between popcorn and Ryan, you know, my brother. Popcorn vexed because of that, you know. Popcorn take interview, you know, and say, you know, him and Supreme Promotion, you know, move good, you know. Him can't believe, you know, Supreme Promotion disrespect him like that, you know. You know, him nigga him promote performance, you know. Man give talk a phone, you know, for run up on him, you know. You see what I say? The man say violate Supreme Promotion, violate him, you know. And from that day until now, all know me not see popcorn work for Supreme Promotion again, you know. So you talk the truth if you talk the truth and nobody talk no fuckery, you know. You see what I say? Just cut out your fuckery thing and talk the truth if you talk the truth. You come with a fuckery business, boy. You know what I mean? I want to warm too, no. Tell you already, you know. Gaza Nation no need the strength to defend them, my brother. Because you see, you can't chat about music. I be a fucker and mix up when you try to get hype off. Tell you already, you're not different from Candy and Shelly. You don't know nothing about the music. Same how I hear Bugle forward out for an interview. And I hear Who not talk, Barrington leave you talk, but him not do no more Afrobeat song again. Yo, I can't know nothing about the music, that's why. You don't know nothing about the streaming and buying a blood clot music. You see what I say? Because Bugler say, because African continent bigger, and that's why the Afrobeat a lead dancehall. And I'm not like that bumbo clot. If that were the case, the Afrobeat artists them would have 60 times blood clot diamond to how big the continent them of Africa is. So that a living fuck Korea chat board. If you sang down bumbo clot stream now buying the United Bumbo Clot state, that cannot count. You see what I say? And at that enough for know. And furthermore, we don't support bumbo clot music. We don't buy music because Jamaican feel like even if them have iPhone, through them a pay $10 a month and them can listen to any music or any album. Them refuse to blood clot bite. Talk about that. And the Africans them support each other. So the Africans them in America buy them blood clots and buy them album and them stream it too. Jamaican want to listen music free from bumbo clot YouTube. You see me that can't stream it. Feed comfy you get bumbo clot. Certain thing. You see what I say? Like oh, you don't stream on Spotify and Apple Music. You see what I deal with? Yeah. And when you buy from iTunes and Amazon. You see what I say? So you educate the people them about the music or you know yourself go get educated about it. It's a streaming thing the music gone to now. You cut on the monarchy out and the lollipop thing and stop the fuckery. And the general, you know, the 10-star one I represent. What? Gaza way. There ain't no other way. 10-star. General. What? To that.